Imagine earning money while you sleep. Sounds fake, right? But what if I told you there are real ways people are making passive income every single day? In this video, I'll show you the top 3 passive income ideas that actually work, even if you're starting from zero. The first idea is YouTube automation, and this is one of the most powerful methods right now. The best part is you don't need to show your face and you don't need expensive equipment. All you need are simple scripts, an AI voice, and basic editing. You can create videos on topics like money psychology, facts, or finance tips. Once your videos are uploaded, YouTube pays you through ads. And the most powerful thing is that one viral video can make money for months or even years. Many people are already earning hundreds to thousands of dollars per month using this method. However, consistency is very important. You need to upload regularly, at least 3 to 4 times a week to see real results. The second idea is digital products. This is one of the best ways to build true passive income because you create something once and sell it forever. For example, you can create ebooks, guides, mini courses, or templates. Imagine making a simple PDF like How to Save $1,000 in 30 days and selling it again and again without any extra effort. There's no shipping, no inventory, and no stress. The profit margins are almost 100%, which makes it extremely powerful. Platforms like Gumroad or your own website make it very easy to get started. Once your product is ready, it can generate income for you automatically. The third idea is affiliate marketing. In this method, you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale. These products can be apps, courses, or online tools. You simply share your special link, and when someone buys through it, you get paid. The smartest way to use affiliate marketing is by combining it with YouTube. You can create videos and place your affiliate links in the description. This way, your content keeps working for you even when you are not active. The best part is, you don't need to create your own product, you just need to promote the right one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.